Welcome to our SMARTBENCH family. Worldwide manufacturing companies are now moving towards Industry 4.0. Our SMARTBENCH application facilitates the marrying of your operational technology to your information technology infrastructure. By connecting to your chosen assembly equipment, SMARTBENCH will control each process and present your assembly data and equipment performance to help you to make your facility efficient. A PC-based system developed with industry-proven LabVIEW, SMARTBENCH offers a reliable, adaptable, and powerful solution for your assembly equipment. Large resistive touch screen for a clear, intuitive user interface. Add component pick bins, electric screwdriver, monitoring and storing, torque and angle, and product-specific sensing and clamping. Quick change tooling and variant handling increase equipment flexibility. Available in 800mm, 1000mm, and 1200mm widths. Standard interface for scanners, printers, vision systems, and electric screwdrivers. Industry standard connections ensure connectivity to all equipment can be achieved. Multiple vision systems inspecting component features. Label printer to produce customer-specific result label. Barcode reader to scan component to log test data against serial numbers. Fitted to workbenches to provide a user interface for work instructions and instructional videos. Documents can be organized into variant folders to contain both work instructions and quality control sheets. Provides traceability for manual operations using the reporting tool. Process data is saved to weekly CSV files. Standard user interface joins other SMARTBENCH stations to give commonality between stations, reducing operator training time.